back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here and I'm back just to kind of give you guys like a little review and a demo of this new e.l.f. concealer, Hydrating Camo Satin finish. That's what it's called. And I'm also using this new Milani translucent banana powder color 03. Also, again, I'm using this different kind of setting spray with little glitter flakes in them. So I'm not sure if the products I'm mentioning right now are new to the market, but they are definitely new to me. So again, they're new to me, at least. But the concealer was only $6 and I'm wearing it right now, and as you guys could see, my skin is looking pretty flawless. If you need info in the hair I'm wearing, I'm gonna leave a link on the screen for you, so check that out. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Started doing my makeup. I moisturized my face. I did my eyebrows, my liner, and I put lashes on. I didn't put no eyeshadow, nothing. This is a quick everyday makeup for me, but I just wanted to show you guys this new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin finish that I picked up because I ran out of my drugstore concealers. So I picked this up and I wanted to kind of do a review on this and also on this translucent banana powder 03 by Milani, because I haven't used any other like drugstores besides which one? I think it was a NYX finishing powder, but I wanted to try these two products together. And yeah, so let me continue doing my makeup. And I'm color correcting because lately, I don't know, like I haven't been sleeping much, so I have to go, excuse me, I have to go and kind of color correct under my eyes because there's no way. Alright, after this, I'm gonna put some foundation. You guys know the deal. I'm just gonna mostly focus on the powder and the concealer, and not, why did I just pick up my phone like I can see with it, and not the other products and stuff, because this is it's gonna be very simple. So I always apply a little bit of foundation because I don't think I need that much. And let's apply this thing. This is the color medium beige, and it is what's the number under it? 84829. I don't know what's going on, but is it too bright? But yeah, this is it. And I couldn't find the color that was closer to my skin tone, so I just picked anyone. The tube, it's giving me like Fenty vibes, like by the package. But let's go and see. Apply this. Oh wow. Okay, so as I'm applying it, it's like blurring out. Like, you know, sometimes when you apply it on your skin and your pores show through it, it's going immediately inside of it. So that is, oh my god, that is great. It doesn't smell like anything. So that's all I'm gonna apply right now. Yeah, so let's go and test this thing out. I'm starting to blend in my foundation because I don't want to get concealer under Beauty Blender first. So let's, okay, I'm very nervous. Should I zoom in a little bit? Alright, I'm very nervous on how this is gonna blend. So let's continue blending the foundation upwards. Okay, hold on. Alright, this is full coverage. This foundation, this concealer is full coverage, and the way it's blending is, holy crap, it's blending so nicely. Maybe a little bit do go a long way with this one. It's blending in so nicely and so well. You guys see this? Do you guys see this? It's blending in so well. I'm very like in awe because you guys know I'm a very like low maintenance person. And the way this is blending is amazing. It's smooth. It's really, really smooth. Oh wow, did you guys see how quick this took? And I didn't even fast forward or anything. Look at how quick this took. It's a little bit lighter for me though. I give it that. But we can tone it with the powder that I'm gonna use. It's a little too light. It's a little too light. I mean, that's what I meant to say. It's a little too light and a little too what is this? Let's apply some on my forehead. Oh my goodness, oh wow. And it's like, oh wow. It's blurring everything out and it's brightening. And I feel like it's super, super good. Guess how much this cost? This cost $6. This was $6. And look how good it looks on my skin. You wouldn't even think this would have been drugstore, and it's full coverage. I just look good with it. I love that. Oh my god. I love that. I like to bring down like the excess product to my neck and stuff, but this concealer, godsend. Okay, this is my go-to now. This is literally my go-to. I just hope that it goes it lasts the 16 hours that it says it's supposed to. I want to see what it looked like after. If anything bad happened, I'm gonna comment, and if nothing bad happened, just assume that that's what you guys are gonna see in the next couple videos. So I'm taking some of this Milani translucent banana powder, and I'm just gonna apply that on my concealer area. Mind you, I've never used this. I always use my Laura Mercier, but I realized if I want to do like a natural makeup, I might as well like natural everyday makeup, I might as well just get a drugstore one so that I don't have to waste my expensive one. I mean, it's not really a waste, but you guys know what I mean. I don't have to use it every single day and just save that for like special occasions or when I'm going to like parties and stuff. That's what I think I'm gonna do. That's why I'm trying to do all that right now. And I'm applying a little bit of that. It does look a little bit light on me too, and I'm a little bit scared, but let's leave that. I applied a little bit. I'm gonna leave it for like a minute. I don't really bake that much anymore. I don't see the need to, and I'm in Florida, so it's like it's hot all the time, and baking is just, it's too much. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been a minute. I'm just gonna brush this off with this powder that I always use. Is the Fit Me 320. The reason why I do that, like I remove the translucent powder with another colored powder, like my skin tone powder, it gets rid of flashback. So if you didn't know, start doing that. You take your pictures, no flashback whatsoever. So, and I've been doing this for years. And yeah, so I'm just gonna remove this. Okay. I'm removing this, and I'm not using a lot of it at all. Just enough to get rid of the powder. And look, oh my god, bro, hold on. These products together, I think I did something. I think I did something. I think I did a thing. I don't know what the thing is, but I did a thing, okay? I did a thing. I did a thing. This concealer is great. Like my skin looks so like smooth. You guys see that? My skin looks so smooth. I like that. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. I'm gonna just continue to do my makeup, and I'm using this powder again, Fit Me powder, different color, a little darker to contour, because this is a quick everyday, you know, makeup scam. If that makes sense. Ooh. And I'm applying this on the top part, you know, make that forehead beamless. And right here. And then taking my nose contouring brush, I'm just going in and I'm contouring my I'm going in with a blush. I'm taking this old one that I have, the H&M. Any pink blush that you have, just use that, because you know I don't have anything on my face, but I do want to look like rosy and a little bit flirty, if that makes sense. And when I apply blush to my concealer after like a contour, it kind of tones down the whatchamacallit, it tones down the concealer tone a little bit. Like if the concealer was too light on me, I put the blush on it, it tones it down. And I'm going back with the same brush to kind of blend in the blush more. I want to have like rosy cheeks. I want to look like I'm blushing all the time, you know, because that's cute. That's the look I've been going for. And now for my highlighter, I don't know where my expensive, like my cheap highlighters went, so I'm just using my Dior one, and I'm just gonna highlight with that. I've been using this crease, yeah, it is a brush, is it not? This deluxe crease brush. I can say blush, but it's brush. I keep using that. I don't know, like I just like how the application goes, and I think it's very gorgeous. And I apply this wherever I would want to highlight. All done. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you guys about this thing that I picked up. I've been using it for no reason, and I like it. So this is the Physician formula. I don't even know where this brand came from. Never heard of it before until I picked this up like a week ago. It's called Rose All Stay, and it's the illuminating spray, like setting spray. And it has like little gold, like rose gold flecks at the bottom. And you need to really like shake this well, or else you're gonna have like flakes like all over your face. It's gonna be highlight central. So you shake it really, really well, and you spray your face with it. And what it does is when you're outside, when you turn your head in the sun or something, you get like little flakes, like flirty flakes of highlights, like glitter. I don't know, but it just looks so nice. And I set my face with it, and sometimes I'll just my chest area so that it could match, you know. This is the look, honey. This is the look. This is the concealer. This thing is so smooth on my skin. I love it. I'm gonna wear it all day. Okay, it's technically right now, it's definitely 11 in the morning right now. Okay, so I'm gonna wear it, and like I said, if there's something wrong with it, just know I'm like, you guys are gonna find out. But so far it's so smooth and so I love it. This little concealer right here is literally $6. Well, it was $5.99, but at a Walmart, that's what I found. And I got it, and I didn't even expect that much out of it, but it's so good. It gave me, what's giving me Tarte, the Tarte concealer vibe. I have that. I haven't used it in a bit, but it's giving me the Tarte concealer vibe, but a little bit more hydrating, which I really like. And it looks like the Fenty bottle. So if you want to do a drugstore concealer, this is the one that you would go to, because I honestly think that this was great. Okay, the application was smooth. It was very blendable. It's very beginner friendly. Like, it's a beginner friendly product. I don't know how it would apply with a brush, like you know, brush, but with the beauty blender, I dabbed it 3 times, you know, 3-4 times. It's smooth. It's blending in all your pores. It just gives you this nice satin finish, this nice smooth finish. This is my honest opinion right now. And for the translucent powder, I don't know if it's these two products together, but honestly, amazing. And now I'm really eager to use this concealer with my high-end setting powder, translucent powder, whatever. I'm very intrigued now by it. So definitely go to your local Walmart, drugstore, whatever, pick this up and try it and thank me. Thank me. You know what? I'm gonna just say it right now. You're welcome, because I know you're gonna love it. Make sure you find your shade or a shade lighter. Even though this was a little bit brighter, too light for me, I made it work. I'm telling you, you can make it work. It doesn't matter if it's not too crazy light, you can make it work. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will check you guys later.